Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aries. Let's see what's coming up, guys. Today's reading is going to be different, guys. We'll be picking cards from two decks for your love energies first. It's going to be like a pick a card. So, whichever card you want to watch first, you can go to that reading, guys. I have given the timestamp for the second card. So, this is the second card, this is the first card, guys. And for your daily energies, we'll be picking cards as usual, guys. So the daily energy will follow this love reading. So these are the cards for your daily energies. We will open the cards as we proceed into the reading, Aries. So this is the first card. So for those who have chosen this card, Archangel Samuel. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that the angels are guiding us today, guys, in our situation, in our connection. So this is a card, this oracle guidance for your love energies is that, guys, this is a time that you are healing yourself, guys. Whatever struggles that you are faced in your relationship, maybe some of us would have broken down in this relationship. We would have experienced a lot of hurt and struggles, separation and lot of pain because of this relationship, guys. So in order to heal from that, we need to let go of our past, guys, and we can build a healthy relationship if we are non-judgmental. So the people we are in connection with, we have to go for that kind of perception, a clarity in our situation. We should not be biased. We have to find the common ground between each of us. So when we have that common ground, maybe some hobbies or interests where we can relate to each other, and when we have that respect and compassion for each other, for each other's career, for each other's choices, whatever that is, when we have that respect for that, we will be able to build that happy, deep, meaningful connection, guys. That is what this card is about. And the guidance is also, guys, for us to see the inner beauty in that other person. So not always we are attracted to inner beauty. Most of us we see the superficial, the outer aspects, how they look, and maybe the physical attraction, we may go in for that, and sometimes it may work. That person may be even more beautiful inside, but sometimes we need to go for that person whom we relate heart to heart, guys. When we relate heart to heart, see them at that heart level. So we have to go in for that connection where we experience that true love, that unconditional love. And this is the energy with this card, guys. Let us see what is the card, the second card. It's Unfinished Symphony. So with this card, guys, for your love energies, Aries, whatever that we have left incomplete, guys, that is what this card means. So sometimes in our work we leave certain things incomplete. So that lack of closure is there. Even in our work, we need to do everything in a particular way. We should complete what we start. Maybe even small things like paying bills, assigning the documents, filing, or whatever work we do, we have to go for that completion. When we do that, when we tie up the loose ends, we will be on the path to success, guys, in our work. So the same way in our relationship also, when things are left unsaid, maybe with the past person, or because of some hurtful situations, we keep that all bound up inside ourselves. So we need to go for that closure, guys. So we can, if we have done some mistake, we can go apologize. Or if they have done some mistakes, if they apologize, well and fine. If they don't, what do? You need to forgive them. In your heart of hearts, you can make that peace with yourself, accept how things are going, and forgive them yourself without them apologizing. Maybe you can meet with them, take time, speak with them, declare. Maybe if you want to get back with them, you can declare your feelings for them. Or if that person, if you cannot meet that person, and if you are not able to say sorry, you can apologize in with to yourself in your heart of hearts. Whatever you truly feel, you can just say it out. So whatever that is unresolved, you will be able to move past your hurt and memories, guys, whatever was upsetting you. And the next time when you are stepping into a new relationship, it will help you have a better understanding, a better connection with this new person, guys. Or if you want to get back with that old person, you can say sorry, try to make up, go for that deep conversation, deep communication with this person, and get back with them. That is what this card is about, and that is the reading for your love energies, Aries. Let us see what are these cards for your daily energies. Page of Wands, the Sun, and Knight of Wands. So with these cards here, guys, the energy is that you are feeling really confident, guys. You have that determination, conviction in your actions, whatever that you have planned for yourself in your career or in your personal life. You have that confidence and you feel that inspiration to take up that action. That is what I see here. And maybe some of y'all, you may be a really creative person, guys, and you are a passionate person. So in whatever actions you do it only when you have that a deep attraction towards that action. So only those things which you are really passionate about, you go for that action, you go for that choice. That is what I see here. And maybe you are seeing your goals, guys. Whatever you have planned for yourself, you are getting the glimpse of your results today. So you are on the right path, you have made the right choice, and you are moving towards success, and success is within your reach. So this may relate to your personal life or your work situation, guys. So a very positive set of cards for your daily energies, Aries. Things are going well and you are marching towards success. That is what I see here with these cards, and that is the energy for you all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, Aries. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.